Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive, your go-to channel for understanding the deeper meanings of words. Today, we're diving into the word knavery. What does knavery mean? Knavery refers to dishonest or untrustworthy behavior, often involving tricks or deceit. Imagine someone who cheats others for personal gain. That's bravery in action. It's a word often used to describe actions that are sneaky and unethical. Definition of knavery. The term knavery is a noun and is defined as trickery, deceit, or dishonest acts. It comes from the word knave, which historically meant a dishonest man or a rogue. Knavery synonyms. If you're looking for similar words, here are some synonyms of knavery: deceit, fraud, trickery, dishonesty, roguery, duplicity. Using knavery in sentences. Here's how you can use knavery in a sentence. The businessman was exposed for his financial knavery. The movie's plot revolves around the knavery of a charming thief. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more word explorations with Thesaurus Thrive.